Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can have 2 enchantments on your rod in the new Ancient Jungle update. I will be sacrificing my only secret for this, so if I don't get anything good, do not laugh at me. I just have the worst luck ever. But basically, this is the main temple. You're just going to go up these stairs. And then you are going to say hello to the temple guardian. Here is my only secret ever. Select talk and then select proceed. Oh my god. Destroy held secret fish. Goodbye. And then you'll get the transcended stone. You're going to get the rod you're going to add the enchantment to. It's in items. This is the transcended stone. I can't believe I just did that. And let's hope for the best. Where do I even put this? How do I use it? Okay, I did. Oh, here it is. Then you're going to go here and you're going to place it. And I'm going to hope for the best. Okay. Wow. I don't know how I feel about that. But yeah, I got leprechaun and cursed. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.